Okay, guys, let's be real. We realize that AI is changing everything, literally changing the tax game as we speak. And in 2026, our taxes as we know it are going to totally be changed when it comes to you and I as tax professionals, when it comes to how tax clients choose their tax people that they want to work with. Everything is changing, and it's time for us to get ahead of the game and not be behind the game. But here's the good news. The ones who prepare now, we're not getting replaced, we're getting upgraded. So today I'm breaking down the 3 ways that AI is disrupting the tax industry and how you and I can get ahead before it happens. Let's start with the obvious. You don't want to just be preparing taxes. You want to be giving your clients planning strategies, living strategies, money strategies that are going to help them. AI is already taking over basic stuff like emails, ChatGPT, and all these other AI tools are able to find deductions for our clients and read the tax documents and all of that for our clients. So what are you going to do? Now, what I've been doing is using AI as my tax intern. Basically, I can use AI to do things that I would get a tax assistant to do for me, but they do not have a coffee break or a lunch break. So what we have to do is switch from data entry to decision making. Basically, you need to stop just inputting information and taking your client's information and putting it into the system. You need to actually be looking at their information and providing value, providing them a strategy, providing them a tax plan, something that they can use to save themselves money all throughout the year. You will be known as the tax person that actually saves clients money instead of worrying about the refund that they're going to be getting at tax time. Now let's talk about our clients. They want quick answers. These AI tools are giving out quick answers, so they want the same from us. So if you've never been in my shoes where I've gotten an email or a text message in the middle of the night about 10 o'clock at night asking me, hey, look at this real quick, or can I ask you a quick question? And then they want immediate answers, right? Well, that's the shoes that we're in right now, and that's what we're going into. These clients want rapid information and they want it now. So what does that mean for you and I? It basically means that we have to evolve our tax systems. We have to make sure that our business is growing and changing with the times. That means instead of chasing your clients and then providing like one-on-one information to them, you need to set up systems that each of your clients can use and that they can put into place themselves, but with your assistance. And that's why I created this program called the DIY Tax Kit, and it's a subscription that my clients can go to, and it can give them all of the information that they need, all the help that they need 24/7 without me being right there with them, without me having to text back and forth. All of the information is right there for them in this tax program. I'm using it for my clients because I can see the change. I know that they need this. So giving them this access to me kind of like 24/7 or my mind 24/7 is going to help them move forward, and it's going to evolve my business. And then if you think about it, as AI is giving them quick answers, right? I can make sure that if the answers are coming, because all those answers from the AI are not trustworthy, right? I don't know if everybody knows that, but you can't trust all of it. You can trust some of it, but not all of it. So if they can't trust me and know that I'm going to verify and solidify the information that they're getting from the AI tools, then what am I doing, right? So that's why this program is going to help them, and that's what you can do for your clients. And here's the biggest one that we need to do for our clients, and that's personalization. So you know that there are so many tools out there, I talk about them all the time, that not tax preparers, but our clients and taxpayers can use to help them. They can the AI tools can analyze their past tax documents, their business information, their bank statements, all that stuff, analyze everything, and then tell them or give them a synopsis of what they can be writing off, what their expenses are, what they need to reduce, all of those things. If the AI tool can do that, then what do you think that our clients are expecting from us? They're expecting us to come to our tax meetings already prepared, already knowing, already having the solutions and the answers for them. And basically you can know the answers and give them to them. So you need to come prepared. You need to learn the AI tools that you can use. I talked about those a couple of months ago. I gave suggestions. These tools you can use to help you elevate your business and help your clients and elevate them as well. And once you use those tools to your advantage to help your clients, then they'll know that you are the person to go to. You're the trustworthy person. You're the tax guru. You're their perfect fit. So at the end of the day, AI can show the data, but you're going to make sure that they're taking the right direction with that information. So AI is not replacing you. It is going to help you to be a better tax person. So let's recap what you need to do. Basic work, you need to automate that. There's an AI tool that can help you, or you can automate it some kind of way yourself. Client services, systemize those, and then your tax planning, make sure that you're personalizing it for your clients. And if you start building those systems right now, you won't be worried about 2026 and what it will bring, but you'll be able to be the tax guru and the person that everybody is coming to, and they know that they can trust you, lean on you, and work with you, and that you're going to be there to benefit them. And if you want to get a start on your tax season and you need to know exactly what I use every single year for my clients, go ahead and click the link down below for the tax season bundle. That's where you're going to get all the things that you need for your clients or that your clients need. So there's a tax binder, there's a tax binder kit of how they can set up the tax binder and be organized. And then there is the income and expense tracker, where I make sure that I put all of their information, or I give it to them so they can put all their information in there, and that it'll categorize it for them, and then it'll prop out the profit and loss statement and all of that. And then I also have the tax season mastery plan guide that can teach them what they need to know to make sure that their business is successful and that it is moving forward. So again, that is down in the description box. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down in the description, in the comment section. I will respond. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one. Bye.